BtcCoin is a clone of the Bitcoin mining app, which you've seen several times on my channel if you've seen my videos. I've been using it for a couple of months now and thought it was worth showing to you all. I've also put a link to the app in the description. There are a few differences, like in this app, it doesn't show your daily sats earned or your total sats earned. But the main difference of this app, in my opinion, is that you earn a lot more per terahash per second from this than you do from the Bitcoin mining app. So these stats aren't exact yet, but they're pretty close, and in my next video I'll have them exact. But for now we'll go with 1 terahash is 160 sats per day. And with 1.62 terahash per second, I'm earning about 260 sats per day, which is way more than the Bitcoin mining app. So before I go over my account, I want to go over the free ads and how these are also different from the Bitcoin mining app. So you see on the left where it says 3.5 gigahash per second for 4 hours, you click claim and you'll receive a free miner. Then you can watch 10 ads which gives you 5.5 gigahash per second, each totaling 55 gigahash per second, giving you 8.94 sats per day. But the thing is, after 4 hours, you can hit the claim button again and you'll be able to watch another 10 ads. So let's say you do this 4 times a day. Now you've watched 40 ads, which is 220 gigahash per second, earning you 35.76 sats per day. And you can see here at Bitcoin's current price of $117,575, this would give you $15.34 a year just from watching ads. Compare that to the Bitcoin mining app, where you watch 35 ads for 10.15 sats per day. So when you think of watching 35 ads for 10 sats compared to 40 ads for almost 36 sats, you can see that's a lot better over time. And just like the Bitcoin mining app, the minimum withdrawal is 20 sats. So it would take you less than a day to get 20 sats and get your first withdrawal. So for my account, the way I found my total sats was to look at my total Bitcoin that I have, which is 68, I just put 60, and then added everything else that I've withdrawn. And this comes out to 7,510 sats, which at Bitcoin's current price is $8.83. A return on investment of 23.8%, which is obviously really good compared to anything from the Bitcoin mining app. One major similarity to the Bitcoin mining app is the free withdrawals to a Lightning wallet. But unfortunately, unlike the Bitcoin mining app, the maximum withdrawal with this app is 4,500 sats, not 45,000. So I'll give you a quick tutorial on how this works. So heading to your Coinbase, you're going to hit transfer and then receive crypto, click Bitcoin, then Lightning. I have 2,800 sats, so I'm going to put in 0.000028, then hit create invoice. And then we're going to head back to the BtcCoin map. We're going to head to the wallet tab, click withdrawal, then click other. We're going to put 0.000028, and then we're going to copy our invoice, and then we're going to click withdraw on the bottom. And in about 30 seconds to a minute later, I received my Bitcoin. You can see it's only $3.30, but considering I'm receiving 260 a day, this only took me about 10 days. Like the Bitcoin mining app, BtcCoin has the same invite code rewards. If somebody uses your invite code, you receive a 10% bonus of any sats that they earn from any purchases or any ad rewards after they put your code in. So be aware, if somebody purchases a miner and then puts your code in, you're not going to receive those rewards. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my invite code ACHJKA. I truly appreciate it and it helps me get these videos out. Next, let's go over purchase options. But before we do this, I want to give you my personal discretion. With APRs of over 250%, I can't see how this is sustainable. Like I said, a couple months ago I tried this out. I put in $10, I come in and claim my miner, but I didn't really pay attention to it. But then I realized I had 1,100 sats, so I withdrawed that, there was no problem, so I invested $20 more. And then when that happened, they offered me a $7 miner, which was the equivalent of a $10 miner, so I went with that as well, totaling $37. But $37 isn't a ton of money, and it's definitely something I could afford to lose. So in my opinion, Definitely do not invest anything that you can't afford to lose. But on the other hand, I know a lot of people wish they could have gotten to the buy one get one promotion with the Bitcoin mining app, and that's what this is offering at this point. But I don't expect this promotion to last forever, and the APRs will go down, but they'll still be really good. But anyways, if you do want to invest into the app, I've broken down each miner option from daily, 30 days, and a year. And all of these stats are going to be based on the Bitcoin current price of $117,575 as of the making of this video. The $10 miner is going to give you 64 sats a day, which is going to be 8 cents a day and $27.47 over a year. The $20 miner earns you 131.2 sats per day, which is 15 cents per day and $56.30 over a year. The $50 miner earns you 352 sats per day, which is 41 cents a day and $151.01 per year. The $100 miner earns you 704 sats per day, which is 83 cents per day and $302.12 per year. The $150 miner gives you 1,120 sats per day. This is $1.32 per day and $480.65 per year. The $200 miner gives you 1,504 sats per day, which is $1.77 per day and $645.44 per year. The $250 miner earns you 1,920 sats per day. This is $2.26 per day and $823.97 per year. And last, the $300 miner gives you 2,356 sats per day. This is $2.75 per day and $1,002.49 per year. So as you can see, these rates are exceptionally good. But remember, this is a clone of the Bitcoin mining app, and we had a ton of negative updates with that app, so expect that with this as well. That also means if you're a high investor, you could get KYC'd, and I would definitely expect to see some offset ads in the future. So a couple quick things I wanted to point out in the app. So if you click claim, it'll take you to a next screen like if you watch an ad in the Bitcoin mining app. And when you get to this screen, you can see on the top it says Super Ad Miner, which means you would think in the future they're going to add the Super Ad Miner just like the Bitcoin mining app. And just like the Bitcoin mining app, if you back out of the screen, it's going to make you watch an ad. And just like with the Bitcoin mining app, I'm just going to reload the app. Anyways, as long as this app exists, I'll make monthly account updates, and if there are any updates to the app, I'll let you know as soon as possible. But for free users just trying to get sats for watching ads, this is definitely one of the best options on the market. And as a free user, it doesn't really matter if this app lasts a long time or not, because you're going to be able to withdraw your sats pretty quickly and you're not investing anything. If I do reach 100% return on investment, I'll think about investing some more at that point. But like I said, with these rates, it's hard to think that this is sustainable. And I'm going to wait for some updates first as well. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And if you want a free and easy way to help the channel, please use the invite code that you see on the screen. I've also provided it in the description. I'm always on the lookout for the best Bitcoin mining apps to show you, and I do my best to break these down for you. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.